Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. So this is a different video as opposed to the usual about the boat or my Mitsubishi Pajero project that I'm working on. This is my first sponsorship deal with a company called ALLPOWERS. Now ALLPOWERS have kindly sent me this Solax SE100 solar panel together with the ALLPOWERS Volix P300 Power Station to test out, try for a long road trip that I'm going on from London, here in London, to all the way to Turkey. It's about 2,000 miles. So I communicated with ALLPOWERS and explained my requirements, and they sent out this bundle for me to try out for the trip. I will obviously unbox this now with you. We'll take a look at what's inside, talk a little bit about the product, and then I will be doing an installation or a setup video in the Mitsubishi Pajero, my car that I'm driving across Europe to Turkey. I'll show you the entire setup of how it's going to work for me, and then what I will do is probably post up another video during the road trip and see how it's working, how it's performing, because I am going to have a couple of chargers hooked up to it and a in-car fridge. It's a compressor fridge from Halfords. So we'll see how everything's working, we'll see how the solar panel performs, and then we'll do a roundup review at the end and see what the verdict is, see if it's as good as people say. So keep tuned and let's see what this product can do. Okay, so let's unbox the Volix P300 Power Station from ALLPOWERS. I'm very excited to test this product, so I've already opened the box. The dispatch time from ALLPOWERS was amazing. They literally dispatched the product and it arrived next day. So very, very happy for that. Thank you, ALLPOWERS. So inside the box we've got the user manual, user guide, and then just carefully remove the protection around the unit and pull out the power station. So we have the power station itself. It's yeah, seems like a decent product. It's good quality all around, nice hard plastic. On the right hand side of the power station we have the 3-pin connector plug to charge the unit, and next to that we have the XT60 solar power connection. I believe you can buy an adapter cable so you can charge this with a cigarette lighter in the car, 12 volt as well. That's available from ALLPOWERS separately, I believe. In front we have a cigarette lighter connection, so we can power all our accessories that work via cigarette lighter. We have 2 USB ports at the front and 1 USB-C, and a normal 220 and 240 volt power plug. Nice, good size handle. Rubber feet underneath as well, and I believe on the left hand side of the product there is a fan for cooling purposes. So that's the power station. In the box there's another box which we have, and that I believe will be the power plug. So this is a normal household 3-pin, same plug that you would use on a personal computer plug, and that will plug in on the side here to charge the power station. So yeah, it looks very interesting actually. I'm very interested to see how this all performs. I believe that it has a Bluetooth capability, so I think you can download the ALLPOWERS app and connect via Bluetooth on your phone and view the parameters, view the charge rate, discharge rate, etc. We'll be taking a look at that on our journey more in depth. And it has a AC output and DC output button for each, left and right, and a power button in the middle. So I'm looking forward to this. Now just going to read the specs here. This is a 256 watt hour power station at 300 watts rated, and it's got a 0 to 100% charge rate in about an hour, which is very, very impressive, and it features a LiFePO4 or a LiPo battery inside. What I know about this product already is that you can discharge and charge at the same time on the go, which is great. I know some competitor products out there do not feature that function of charging and discharging at the same time, so I believe that is a very, very big bonus for this product. It's actually very, very lightweight. Its total weight is not that much. It's 1.3 kg, and very, very easy to carry with this grab handle. Very sleek, compact design. You can fit this pretty much anywhere in the vehicle, on your boat, in your camper, in your van, even at home. So well done ALLPOWERS for this amazing product that they've designed and brought out, and looking forward to using it on the road trip. Okay, so now we're just going to unbox the ALLPOWERS SOLEX SE100 solar panel. So you can see in the box we have an XT60 connector for the solar panel to the power station. And we have the solar panel itself. Just remove the box. In a nice sturdy carry bag. Okay. It's got a zip that goes from one side to the other, and if we just open the packaging, we have a user guide inside. We've got the solar panel connectors at the top, and we have the solar panel itself, which opens up. It's a folded up unit. That's some protecting material there, protective material. So I have the solar panel itself, which opens up and folds back, nice and compact, which I love. I believe these are some legs or feet which assist the solar panel to stand up wherever you place it, for the optimum angle, or you could either place it flat on the ground, or on your camper, or on your van, or on your car. Obviously that's all dependent on where your sun is and the angle that you prefer and the maximum charge rate that you get after you hook it up to the power station, which you can see. Now if we just go through some of the technical specifications here, it's a 100 watt solar panel, output power up to 100 watts. That's all dependent on the position of the sun during the day, whether there's any cloud base or not, visibility, etc. It runs on a circuit voltage of 24.5 volts, operating voltage at 20 volts, and your standard operating current is 4.8 amps. Okay, and it's a monocrystalline silicone, so it's a decent product, nice and compact, very thin, not too heavy actually. So it's suitable for all power stations with a standard XT60 connector. And it's not that heavy. It's actually 8.82 pounds, or roughly around 4.5 to 5 kilos. So yeah, I'll be interested to fit this to the car. I'm going to see how much space I have on the roof rack of the Mitsubishi Pajero. If I've got enough space, I'll probably just mount it on the roof and leave it there, have it hardwired connected, with the cables coming into the car. I have purchased an extension cable because these cables are not long enough. I believe they're 2 meters long, so I've purchased a separate extension cable myself to bring the connection into the car. If I don't have space on the roof rack, because I'm going to have some fuel cans and other things on the rack, then I'll probably keep this folded up on the rack. I won't have it hardwired in. When I stop for a break, I'll probably just go up to the roof rack and open it up, connect the cables to the power station in the vehicle, and have it charging while I'm on a break. But we'll see how we get on. So I'm interested to see how the solar panel, the SE100 by ALLPOWERS, and the power station bind and work together. I'm very hopeful that it will work nicely. I've heard a lot of good things. I've seen a lot of good reviews about these products, I am sponsored by ALLPOWERS, but I will point out that they have not told me under any way, shape or form what to say or how to comment in this video. This is an honest video by myself of the review of the products I'm intending to use. They have sent it to me free of charge, yes. However, it will be an honest review about the products. I have not been told what to say. I'm not going to lean on a positive or a negative review. It will be unbiased depending on how I use the product, what I use it for, and how it's delivered to me. And then we'll look at the overall review of the quality, the design, reliability as well. Everything will be touched upon during the road trip. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, help the channel grow. It is a very new channel. I'm very new to this, so apologies if I've made some mistakes in my videos. It's a learning curve for me. I'm not a professional YouTuber by any means, but thank you very much for your time. Subscribe, and I will be posting a lot of videos about my road trip. It's a very, very long road trip. It will take me about 2 to 3 days to do, non-stop driving, and I'll be showing you all the different countries I go through, and a bit about the car, a bit about the country I end up in as well for my vacation. Yeah, so stay tuned. Just a quick addition to the video. Just want to say thank you very much to ALLPOWERS for sponsoring me for this video and sending out these products. I will post my affiliate link in the description. Please use that affiliate link to purchase these products. It will help the company as well grow, because I believe they have a lot of wonderful products already on the market, and I think they intend to produce a lot more lovely products. So yeah, use the affiliate link in the description below. Purchase the product. Leave a comment as well. Let me know how the product has served you. I can feed that back to ALLPOWERS, and feedback helps. Feedback helps everyone improve on their services and products. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below, and I will get back to you with anything that you're wondering in relation to the product or in relation to anything else I use on the channel. So thank you very much for watching.